Want to speak English every day? Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Daily Spoken English. Let's start. It's time to cook dinner. I'll go to the kitchen. I'll open the refrigerator. I'll take out the vegetables. I'll wash them well. I'll peel the onions. I'll chop the onions. I'll slice the tomatoes. I'll cut the carrots. I'll wash the spinach. I'll prepare the chicken. I'll add some salt. I'll add some spices. I'll mix everything well. I'll heat the pan. I'll add some oil. The oil is hot. I'll cook the chicken. I'll stir it slowly. Now I'll add the vegetables. Everything smells wonderful. The food looks colorful. I'll cook some rice. The rice is almost ready. Dinner is ready. I'll set the table. I'll bring a glass of water. I'll serve the food. Everything looks delicious. I'll start eating. The food tastes great. I'll enjoy every bite. I'm feeling happy. Now I'm full. I'll clean the table. I'll wash the dishes. The kitchen is clean. Now it's time to relax. Dinner is over. I feel satisfied. I'll drink some water. I'll sit on the sofa. I'll turn on the TV. My favorite show is starting. I'll watch it for a while. It's very interesting. I enjoy watching TV. Now I'll turn it off. It's time to work. I'll open my laptop. I'll check my emails. I have a few tasks. I'll finish them first. I'll reply to some messages. I'll update my work. Everything is going well. I'm almost done. Now my work is finished. I'll close my laptop. I'll put it on the desk. I'll stretch my body. I feel a little sleepy. I'll go to the bathroom. I'll brush my teeth. I'll wash my face. I'll change into my pajamas. I'll comb my hair. I'll fill my water bottle. I'll set my alarm. Tomorrow will be another busy day. I'll check the doors. I'll turn off the lights. My room is quiet. I'll get into bed. The bed feels comfortable. I'll pull up the blanket. I'll close my eyes. I'll say a short prayer. I'm thankful for today. Today was a good day. I worked hard. I learned many things. Now it's time to rest. I'll sleep peacefully. Good night. See you tomorrow. Sweet dreams. Great job. You finished today's lesson? I hope you learned something new. Practice these sentences every day. Speak English with confidence. Keep learning. Keep improving. Don't give up. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like. Don't forget to comment. Don't forget to share. And don't forget to subscribe to Daily Spoken English. Thank you for watching. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye.